Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got an epic showdown between two 3D printers that'll make your inner geek squeal with joy. On the left, we have the Asani Mini, and on the right, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Asani Mini will set you back a cool $500. That's right, folks, half a grand for a mini printer. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is a more wallet-friendly $279. With the money you save, you could buy a whole bunch of filament or, I don't know, maybe an actual 3D printed golden throne to sit on while you print. Now, speed demons, listen up. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo boasts a top speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's like strapping a rocket to your print bed. The Asani Mini? Well, let's just say it's more of a leisurely stroll through the park. If you want to print your dreams faster than you can say, I need more filament, the Kobra 2 Neo is your go-to. Ease of use is next. The Asani Mini comes fully assembled and ready to go. It's like the IKEA of 3D printers, but without the confusing instructions and missing screws. Auto leveling? Check. One-touch filament loading? Double check. Even your grandma could start printing with this bad boy. Reviewers love its user-friendly design and quick setup, making it perfect for beginners and young kids. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo has LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's got AZ-axis offset compensation, which means it's basically doing gymnastics to make sure your print is perfect. But if you're not a tech wizard, you might need to sit down with a coffee and a manual for a bit. Reviewers mention that while it's relatively easy to use, some software adjustments are needed for optimal prints. When it comes to print quality, both of these printers are no slouches. The Asani Mini's dual Z-axis rail ensures high-precision prints, so your miniatures will look sharp enough to wage a tiny war. Reviewers rave about its precision and stability, making it a great choice for home use. But the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo takes it up a notch with its linear propulsion and input shaping. Translation? Your prints will look smoother than a baby's bottom. Plus, the new integrated extruder and 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan mean your models will cool faster than your ex's heart after a breakup. Reviewers appreciate its good quality hardware and tools, although some mention the need for better filament for optimal results. Let's talk extras and support. The Asani Mini comes with a complete starter kit. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printing kits. You get 10 m of PLA filament, a micro SD card preloaded with designs, and a bunch of other goodies. It's perfect for beginners who don't want to hunt down accessories like they're on a scavenger hunt. Reviewers highlight its comprehensive starter kit and easy wireless printing. On the flip side, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo offers excellent customer service with a 1-year after-service warranty, a 3-month warranty for the print head, and a 6-month warranty for the heated bed. It's like having a tech support guardian angel watching over your prints. If something goes wrong, you know who to call, and no, it's not Ghostbusters. Reviewers commend its responsive customer service and value for money. Overall, the Asani Mini is praised for its ease of use, user-friendly design, and comprehensive starter kit, making it ideal for beginners and young kids. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is celebrated for its speed, advanced features, and responsive customer service, though it may require some tweaking for optimal performance. So there you have it, folks. The Asani Mini is perfect for beginners and those who want a hassle-free setup, while the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is the speedster with top-notch print quality and awesome support. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy printing, smart buyers. Product links are in the description.